So did you guys started with the installation? Is it happening? Server installation done, right?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So I just started the server. Oh, why it's taking too much time? See, sometime what happen? It will ask you to install the server again and again. So what you need to do? You need to go here, go to the settings, and go to the storage and remove this attachment. This ISO file. Once the installation get completed, then you can just remove that and start it again. It will be done. Otherwise what will happen, it will start you to install it again and again like that. It will happen. And now your file is getting started. So the plan is that you have a server. On this server you have a database, which is like we are going to install our Oracle 90C database. That's the plan, right? We have a server. On this server we are going to install our Oracle 90C database. Now to this server we are going to assign IP address. We are going to assign IP address. Did we assign the IP address to this machine? Is it done?
No, sir.
No, right?
No.
So what will happen? I want to access this server from my Windows machine. So I'm using my Windows machine. On this Windows machine, I am going to install a software called Putty or 𝐓𝐫𝐸𝐧. I'm going to install a software called Putty or 𝐓𝐫𝐸𝐧. And by using this software, I'm going to connect to this server from the outside. See, you need to understand one thing, that this server is basically a physical machine. This machine may be available in USA location. So if you want to operate this machine, are you going to travel to the USA? No, right? You are going to take the remote of this server from the India location. So for that you can use a software called Putty or 𝐓𝐫𝐸𝐧. This is called SSH connection. We called it as a SSH. SSH means you are basically taking the remote. And if you want to stop this server, you can stop from the India only. You don't need to travel to the USA location. It is possible. So what I did, I have installed this server and it is asking me to accept the license agreement. So I'll just accept the license agreement and click on the finish configurations. Once it is done, see, your mouse will not work. If you see here, if I'm clicking inside, your mouse will not work. So you need to use the control, the right control. In your laptop, there are two controls are there, left hand side and right hand side. So you need to use right hand side control. Click on next and enter the location from wherever you are belonging to and click next. Skip. You need to create one compulsory user, and this user we are not going to use for your Oracle database administration. But since it is a compulsory steps, I'm just creating a user and I'm providing the password here. Next, and start using this Oracle Enterprise Linux. And here my server installation is completed. And this is a server with GUI option. That is the reason you can see the desktop like this. If you see the Ubuntu desktop, normally it will be like red in color, and this is I believe it's a black color. I don't know what's this color, but it will be looks like this. You can see here it's a Oracle Linux. Now what I will do, I'll click on here, click on the settings and click on the network. To this server I'm going to assign IP address. I told you one thing, that when I want to connect or when I want to take the remote, I can do that with the help of host name, and or I can do that with the help of IP address. So I'll click on the settings And why I can see there are two Ethernets are there, because we have assigned two adapter. One adapter is your host only adapter, through which you can assign the IP address. So I click on the settings, click on connect automatically, assign the first MAC address and provide the IP address over here. So I'll assign the IP address like 192.168.56.50, 255.255.255.0. This is a standard subnet mask. Click on OK. So this is a static IP address of my machine. This IP address will not get changed throughout my training. I'll go here, click on the settings, connect automatically. I will assign the second MAC address, and here, since it is only for the internet purpose, you don't need to assign any IP address. It will be like this, and click on apply. Now you can see both are connected. Now what I will do, I don't want to connect to this machine like this. If I want to connect to this machine, I will open a terminal and I can do my work over here. If you remember that in Ubuntu also, we have opened the terminal like this and we were doing the practice. But normally in the real-time production environment, when you are working as a Oracle DBA, you will not see the desktop like this. You will take the remote, and remote means this is my Windows machine. From my Windows, I'm going to connect to my server. So for that, I will use one software called 𝐓𝐫𝐸𝐽. Go to the website and search it with the download 𝐓𝐫𝐸𝐽. Click on the first link. You will get the free editions and click on the installer edition. One zip file will be downloaded here. You can just unzip that and install like a normal software. Unzip it and install like a normal software. Like next. So after the installation, the 𝐓𝐫𝐸𝐽 will looks like this. So this is my 𝐓𝐫𝐸𝐽, what you can see right now. If you go here, you can see there is a 𝐓𝐵EXTERM, and you can see over here. Then do one thing, click on the session SSH and enter the IP address of your Linux machine, 192.168.56.50. Click on the bookmark setting and provide some meaningful name. So I'll give the name like August Oracle. Once it is done, click on OK. This session will be saved over here on the left hand side. Click on yes and try to log in with the help of root user. So I have entered my root user and it will ask me root user password also, but this 𝐓𝐵EXTERM have the ability to store the password. So I have already entered my root password. That is the reason it is not asking me any password. But remember one thing, that where is my 𝐓𝐵EXTERM? My 𝐓𝐵EXTERM is available on Windows. So this is my Linux server where I am going to install my database in future. This is my Windows operating system, and from my Windows I am connecting to my database. And for that I can use a software called PuTTY, or I can use 𝐓𝐵EXTERM also. How to use PuTTY? PuTTY is also very simple. You can just search here with the download PuTTY. It's a small software, free of cost available. Click on download PuTTY, and I'm going to download this PuTTY for the 64-bit operating system. So click on here and it will start downloading over here. Just install like a normal software, how we install other software. After the installation, the PuTTY will be looking like this. Click on the PuTTY and it will ask you to enter the IP address of the machine, 192.168.56.50. If you want to save the sessions, you can give the name like Oracle 19C August. Save it. Click on the Windows, maximize it and change the line of scroll back. Once it is done, save the session and click on open. Accept. Here also you can enter the user ID, root, and it will ask you to enter the password. The password, this PuTTY do not have the ability to save the password. So every time you need to enter the password. But if you see, if I fire ls-lrt command, I'm getting the output like this. Same output I will get it over here also, same to same. So both are doing the same thing. Even 𝐓𝐸𝐺 is also doing the same thing. Putty is also doing the same thing. See here, same to same, same to same. Anaconda, Anaconda. But this is a free of cost software. It does not have more features like saving a password. You cannot open duplicate terminal. Like here, if I want to open multiple terminal, I can do like that. But that do not have the features like this. So that is the reason, like some of the companies, they are using 𝐓𝐸𝐺, or they can use any other software also, but 𝐓𝐸𝐺 is quite famous. Putty is like everywhere you will find. Both are doing the same thing. So it doesn't matter like which software you are using to connect to the database server. Important is that how to connect to the server. So whenever you want to connect to the server, you need to enter the IP address of that server, and you can connect like this. Now remember one thing, that in real-time production environment, you will not see the desktop like this. You will not see the desktop like this. In real-time production environment, you will see only this black screen or this putty black screen. Only black screen you will see. So if you want to reboot machine, start machine, create folder, delete folder, cd, mkdir, whatever you want to do, everything will be done by using the command line interface only. There is no scope of creating a folder by going to the desktop and something like that. This is the way your desktop will looks like this. So you are going to run all your Linux command, SQL command, everything on this 𝐓𝐸𝐺 or putty. The good feature about the 𝐓𝐸𝐺 or putty is, if you want to copy something, just double click. If you want to paste, just right click. Just right click, it will be paste. So this is the way normally your life will get started as a Oracle DBA, and your life will be ended as a Oracle DBA. Understood till now whatever we have discussed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We are going good, right? Everyone able to understand now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so here my server installation part is completed. Only server. What we have installed? Server only. Did we install any database till now? No. So usually this server installation part will be taken care by the server team. They will take care. So they will just share you the IP address and you will connect like this. Now once the server get installed, now my turn means as a DBA, what I will do. So whenever you are done with the server installation or server is done, on this server you need to install some of the packages. There are some of the prerequisite packages are there that you need to install. You need to create some of the users on the server level, like we have Oracle user you need to create. You need to create some of the groups like DBA, O install. These are the standard users and groups are there. You need to do some kernel level settings. So in the Linux level, there is a kernel level settings also you need to do. Earlier what happened? If I want to install Oracle 19C installation step by step, I'll show you the manual way how we were doing it initially. Earlier what happened? If you want to install the packages, these many packages we need to install. Yum install -y, first package, second package, third package. Normally in Ubuntu you have used the command like apt install, but in Oracle Linux the command is little change, yum install, first package, second package. Likewise we need to install some 20-30 packages we need to install. Then you need to create some of the groups and users you need to create. If you remember that group add, user add, all these commands we have already discussed. Then you need to do some kernel level settings. Kernel level setting, right? You need to go to some files and you need to add these lines into that files. So you were doing all these things manually initially, but now they have made your life very easy. What they are saying, that if you want to do all these things, like creation of users, group, kernel level setting. Just simply copy this line and try to run it. If you want to paste now, there is a simple trick is there, shift insert and press enter. And now it has started doing the installation of your packages, user creation, group creation, kernel level settings. Everything will be done automatically. Just call pre-installation 19c link and it will be done. So you don't need to create Oracle user, DBA group and all. Oracle user, group creation, everything will be done automatically. See, I did not run any command to create a Oracle user also till now. But Oracle user will be created automatically. Automatically it will be created. How? By using this pre-installation link. Are you able to understand till now what I'm trying to say?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, why we need the Oracle user? See, now we are going to download and install our Oracle database. So this Oracle database related files should be owned by the Oracle user and Oracle specific group like DBA or O install. These are the standard groups are there. So that is the reason we are going to create our Oracle user. Oracle installation will not be done by the root user. You need to have Oracle user. Then only you can do Oracle database installation. And that's the reason we create Oracle user and Oracle specific group. Now, since I called this pre-installation link, it will do my all the pre-checks automatically. It will create my Oracle user also. But when it create a Oracle user, Oracle will not have a password. Oracle will not have password. We need to set the password of Oracle user. And how to set the password or change the password of any user in Linux? How? How?
Okay.
How to set a password of user?
User identified by like
Hmm? Did we discuss this in our Linux class or not? How to set the password of user or change the password of user? Do you remember password command?
Yes, yes.
Password user.
Remember.
Correct. This is the command. So see here, I'm going to set the password of Oracle. The password of Oracle is Oracle. Password of Oracle is Oracle. Again, remember one thing that don't give any other password. Don't give your name, my name, Learnomate name, any name. Oracle password is Oracle. Root password is root. In future, we are going to create one more user called grid. Grid password is grid. Keep it simple, straightforward. Okay. Because many times you are going to use this password. So try to make it as simple as you can. But in real-time production environment, the root password, Oracle password will be very strong. Okay. Now what I will do here, I have seen that the Oracle user got created automatically by using the pre-installation link. It got created. Now it is a time to do the Oracle database installation. Now it is a time to do Oracle database installation. So what I will do, first of all, I will log in with Oracle user, log in with Oracle, and I'm going to create one file. We called it as a bash profile file. So I have logged in here with the help of Oracle, and let me create one file called bash profile. Why it's slow? So I'll create like vi.bash underscore profile. I'll go here and I'm going to add some lines over here. I'll tell you what is that line. Open our website, go to the blog and search it with the database installation. Install. installation. किधर गया भाई? Here, open the first blog. If you go here, whatever I have done till now, everything is documented. If I go here, there is some certain lines are there. I'm going to copy it. I'll paste it to the notepad also, and similarly I will paste it over here also in this location. So what I mentioned here that I mentioned here that what is my Oracle home and what is my Oracle SID. Now what does it mean by Oracle home, Oracle base, Oracle SID? What does it mean? Let me save this file and source dot bash underscore profile. Whenever I am making some changes to the bash profile, you need to make that changes effectively. Like, you don't need to restart the server. You can make it permanently by doing source command. Otherwise you need to restart the server. Now what I mentioned there, I have mentioned few things like what is my Oracle home. I have mentioned there. Just go see what I mentioned there. So I mentioned that what is my Oracle home and Oracle SID. I'll copy this path. I'll copy this path and I'm going to create this path. But in order to create that path, I need to use root user, because this slash data is available under root user. And who will be the owner of this path? The owner of this path will be Oracle o install slash data. Now I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to give permission also to this path chmod 775 slash data. Now when I ran this command mkdir-p, chown-r, chmod-r, all this command why I run and why I am able to run, because you must be able to understand that what I did. Now tell me what I did with this command.
Make directory.
Created a directory under the root.
We have created
Multiple
a directory under root
Multiple directory.
and multiple directories are there. That is the reason we use -p.
Minus
What is this command is doing?
Changing the owner.
Changing the owner.
Even with the subdirectories, right? That is the reason we use -r. What is this?
Permissions to the data.
To user we are giving full permissions, group full permissions, and for others we are giving some read and execute permissions, correct? Now do you understand that why we started learning about the Linux first before we go to the Oracle DBA? Are you able to understand the importance
Yes,
of
sir.
Linux,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right? Okay, now what I did, so these are the standard users and standard groups are there of the Oracle, okay? And we have not created that Oracle user and o-install group. This has been created automatically, okay? But I have just assigned the permission to that directory, because in this directory, if I try to do cd $oracle_home, I can directly go into that location. Why am I able to go into that location directly? Because in the bash profile, I have mentioned that Oracle home equals to that path. So whenever I want to call this path, I can call this path by using cd and complete path. This is one way. I can do like this, cd and complete path. But better I can call like this also. Both are doing the same thing. So this Oracle home will be replaced from here. Okay. And why I'm able to go into that location? Because that directory is already exist. That directory is already exist. Now what is this Oracle home and Oracle SID? In future, so you have a server, and on this server I have this database is there, which is my 19C database. The name of the database I will give like prime database. In future I want to connect to this database. So whenever I want to connect to this database, there are two things you need to set. One is Oracle home and one is Oracle SID. So Oracle home is the location where my software is going to be installed. So my software will be installed in like data app Oracle product 19c DB home. In this location, my software is going to be installed. And Oracle SID will be the name of my database. And by setting up these two parameter only, you can connect to this database. So I have mentioned into the batch profile that boss, my Oracle home is this one. Here I am going to install my Oracle 19c database, and this is my Oracle home. Now I am going into this location, and now in this location I am going to upload my Oracle 19c database. But for that I need to download the Oracle 19c, right? So how to download the Oracle 19c? If you go here, download Oracle 19c for Linux. So for Linux we have a different setup, for Windows we have a different setup. So I'm going to the oracle.com, and if you go here, click here, accept the license agreement, remember the name 19c DB home, and click on download. It will ask you to enter your user ID and password. If you don't have user ID and password of this website, you can click on the create account and just enter your basic details like email ID, password, retype password, country, work phone number, anything, whatever. If you are not working, you provide any company name and create an account. Once you click on the create account, you will get email on your email ID. So you need to verify your email ID, and same email ID and password which you have mentioned here, you need to enter here. So I already have my user ID and password, so I'll just copy that. I'll just enter my user ID and password. So everyone should have their own user ID and password, and click on the sign in. Once you click on the sign in, it will start downloading your Oracle 19c here. The setup will be starting downloading. This is a zip file. I'm just canceling that because in my laptop this software is already downloaded. After the downloading, you can keep that software in some safe location. Like I have pasted that in trainings, Oracle 19c. No, not this one. I have placed in safe location. Where is my safe location? Here. Here I have kept my software here in this location. So this is the software which I have downloaded from oracle.com. Don't get confused. First day we have downloaded Oracle Enterprise Linux from edelivery.oracle.com. Then we have downloaded Oracle 19c software, which is my database software. Earlier was server software. Now it's a database software. This database software, I am going to click on SFTP. And now where is my software? The software is available on my Windows. Remember that. This is my Windows. This is my Linux. So I have downloaded the software here. This software I want to move from here to here. So from Windows to Linux. Whenever you want to move a file from Windows to Linux or Linux to Windows, vice versa, you need to use SFTP protocol. Who is going to provide SFTP protocol? By using a software called WinSCP, or Mobaxterm itself have SFTP available. Like if you go to the Mobaxterm, you can see SFTP is there, and in this location, so I'll give the location here, press enter. You can upload the software. From where? You can upload the software from Windows. Can you see there is a software location? This DB home I will just select, and it will start uploading the software to the Linux location. So if you are not using Mobaxterm, just take an example, you are using Putty software, and Putty do not have SFTP, like this option is not available because Putty is like a very poor kind of software. So what they will do in that case, you can use WinSCP software. So I'll go to the download WinSCP. Arey baba, sardi ho kya re? Go to the WinSCP, download WinSCP. If you click here, it will start downloading here on the top, and just install this software like this. शूज की बात किया तो शूज भी दिख रहा सही है. Okay, and after the installation of that WinSCP software, how to install WinSCP? Just double click next, and WinSCP will looks like this. WinSCP. So WinSCP and MobaXterm both are doing the same thing. MobaXterm have inbuilt SFTP. If you don't have SFTP options, you can click on new site, enter the IP address of your Linux machine, which is my 56.50. I want to do this with the help of Oracle user and Oracle user. Press enter, add it, and see here on my left hand side you can see my Windows IP address. On my right hand side you will see my Linux IP address. So whenever you want to move file from Windows to Linux, just drag and drop it. Just drag and drop it. So did you understand, guys, what I'm trying to say? What is WinSCP? What is SFTP? What I'm trying to do? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
160.56.50 Oracle. Is it getting overloaded, everyone?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Is it getting overloaded? Tell me honestly.
Yes, sir.
Can you please explain about the SFTP once?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'll ask one question. How many people are able to understand? Say me yes. How many people are able to understand? Say me yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so everyone is able to understand. We are not going fast, right?
No, sir.
You will.
No.
Okay, we'll go. So see, so many things are there in Oracle. That is the reason I'm telling you. Okay, initially 3-4 days it will be like tough time. Okay, but if you do more and more practice, you'll feel like it's my home only. Okay, because so many tools are there, like we have MobaXterm, WinSCP, VirtualBox, Oracle Enterprise Linux, Oracle 19c. So many things are there. Okay, but
Hello?
yes, Davis.
Yeah. Okay, it's very friend with you. I'm kind of confused because from the initial stage, the first download is not even completed, it's not even ready, but everything you added, trust me, it like my eyes are spinning because I'm not understanding anything. Because we are not finished with the first one, but you jump to something else, so it's kind of complicated to me. Right. So maybe I want you to help me privately after class because I'm confused. Right.
Okay, we'll do that. Okay. Now, coming to the 1 minute, some noise is coming. I think my windows are open. Just give me a minute. I'm just trying to close the windows. Windows are already closed. Achha. Okay, you guys can hear me, right? It's a Ganpati festival in India, so little loudspeaker will be there. But my voice is clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, let's do one thing. So, what is this location we called it as? We called it as a Oracle home location.
Oracle home.
If I just do ls-lrt, I got my zip file, correct? I got my zip file. From where I got this zip file? We downloaded on Windows, correct? From Windows, we moved it to the Linux. So you can use SFTP protocol, which is provided with the MobaXterm itself, or you can use SFTP protocol. Can you see here? This is also SFTP only. On my left hand side, you can see Windows path. On my right hand side, you can see my Linux path. Let's assume that I want to move any file from here to here. So I can move like this. Let me move any small file. So this is a small document I want to move. If I want to move the file from here, I'll just do drag and drop. See here in this location. If I want to move it to the different location, I will just double click, change the location, and I can move that. Both are doing the same thing. You can use WinSCP or you can use this Mobextrum SFTP protocol itself. Believe me, these softwares are useful not only just Oracle DBA, everywhere, even in development, testing, wherever you are going, you will see this kind of softwares. Any confusion here? FileZilla will also work.
Yes.
Okay, now since it is a zip file, remember one thing, all the files are owned by which user? Oracle. So I'm going to unzip that. What I'm trying to do in Linux, you don't need to type the complete line. See, if you just press L and then press tab, automatically the name will come. Press tab and press enter. Now the file has been started unzipping it. Is it clear till now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes,
But,
sir.
but when we do practically, then it will be more clear.
Can you come again? I missed that. What you said?
When we do practically install the doing.
I would like to state something, sir. Like, as you said, till now, whatever we have installed, that was a part of the server. So somebody else is responsible for that installation, right?
Correct.
So as a DBA, we just need to have the idea or the environment of the how the server will be installed and how the server looks like.
Correct.
But what comes into role is today's session, what you're showing us, right? Remotely, how we are going to take the access from the server, take our database access from the server, and how we are going to install that. Right?
Correct.
Okay. And that is happening through our software called as Mobextrum.
Correct. But again, you know, when they are doing the server installation as a DBA, you need to provide the input from your side. You need to
Like
provide input means what will be your Oracle home, what are the
Okay, okay.
directory structures you need, what are the
Okay.
partitions you need, how much size you need in that partitions. So you will understand all these things when you are doing the installation of server yourself, because
Okay, fine.
root.
So just we need to provide a documentation for them, like
Correct,
you said, as
correct,
the part. Okay.
correct. They will ask you because they have the
Mhm.
root level access and we
Okay.
don't have it. We will not have it. So let's say I said that I want to create this Oracle home. So this
Mhm.
Oracle home, we have done it by using the root user, correct?
Right.
So root user, but who is going to create this Oracle home? They will create it. But
Okay.
at the end, who is going to provide the information? You are going to
We
provide.
the okay, fine. Got it, sir.
Is it clear, everyone? What I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
And in very mota, if I want to tell everything we need to do as a DBA, you will be in touch with the Linux team, you will be in touch with the Unix team, you will be in touch with the Windows administrator team. There will be different dedicated backup team will be there, Skype team will be there, or link will be there. You will be in touch with all the people, everyone. Okay, so you are like a center. Okay, that is the reason like DBA are very responsible job. Even you will be touching with the network team also. Now,
Hello, sir.
yes,
I have a question. Earlier, when we started the SQL training, we had downloaded Oracle 21C. So now, do we have to download 19C for Linux again?
yes, the 21C what we have used is not for the real-time production environment. That is just like Express edition. The one which we are using right now, it's an enterprise edition. Okay, so Oracle database is also coming with multiple editions. I'll discuss about that in future. So this one you need to use. Okay, that is the Express edition is just very simple, like normally small client they will use. So this 19C you need to use. Now after the unzipping, you will see this was single file was there. Once my unzip is done, I got these many files because it's a zip file, right? Unzip we have done. Now what I will do, I'll call. Okay, do you want to continue now, everyone, or is it too much for today? Let me know now.
Too
No,
much.
sir, continue, sir. Continue, sir.
Continue, sir.
Continue, sir.
Continue.
Continue. Na? Fine.
Too much, man. Bro, sir.
Then let's do one thing. Let's go with the majority and let's continue. Now, what I will do, I will call. There is a script called run installer is there. Again, remember one thing. I'm telling you from the first day again and again. If you are simply just watching the recordings, nothing is going to happen. Everything you'll file like it's very easy. But when you're doing it and with your own, then you'll understand that acha, this is something different. Okay, so try to do it on your own. Okay, now after the unzipping it, there is a one file is available here called run installer ls. If you try to check that ls-lrt, there is a file is available called run installer. This file, this is an executable file. Executable file means like a shell script. If I want to call that file, since it is a shell script, I will call like this /run installer. Dot means it's available in the current location, and I'm calling this file. This file is owned by the Oracle user, and you are calling that. What is this file or what is this script? This script is helping you for the installation of your Oracle database software and database. Okay, now as soon as you called, you will see one pop-up will be coming very soon, and by using that pop-up you can install your Oracle database. So just wait for another 1 minute and the pop-up will come. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Looks like server is slow today. Okay, we got it. Tomorrow is the Ganpati Visarjan is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
There will be
Tomorrow is how? Yeah. But tomorrow is off.
anyone is asking something?
Tomorrow will not class. We will
That
take
is
class
what I'm
tomorrow.
thinking. Let me see. Like I normally in Pune location, it will be like huge festival actually. Like whole night it will be like that. Everywhere it will be basically in India, right? So, but in Pune, like it's in. Let's see.
Sir, possible you can change the timing for tomorrow once. Like instead of taking 8 o'clock, like before that, because in the festival, Visarjan,
I
we start after the 6 o'clock or
I know. That's
just
no. Actually, in our
just
offline batches, we have already given the off because there will be a rally. So
yes.
like we will not be able to hear you each other, and even like in our society also we will have that festival. So we'll see. I'll let you know. I need to check what is the timing for that. My server is looking very slow. Normally it will be quite fast. Let me do one thing. I'll just restart the server once. Okay. Power off. Start it again. So I just started the server again. Okay, so we got the server. See, if your server is not responding or if your server is not on, you will see the session like the session stop, means your remote connectivity will not work. If your server is on, then only you can just restart like this. So I'll log in with the Oracle. And where is my software? My software is available under Oracle home location. So I just logged in by using Oracle user. Still server is slow today. Maybe I need to restart it. Let me log in. If I go here. Okay, so I'm here. Let me do cd $oracle_home and let me call run installer. So I'm just calling that run installer again. So what will happen, as soon as I call run installer, I will get a pop-up and there will be options like, do you want to configure? See, there is a difference between when I want to install Oracle database. Let's say I want to install Oracle 19c database. So what I need to do, I need to install Oracle 19c software first. So when I call run installer, it is giving me two options. Do you want to install Oracle 19c software only, or you want to install Oracle 19c database also? So if I have Oracle 19c software available with me, and this software will be available in some Oracle home location, which is like data app Oracle product 19c DB home, in the DB home in this location. So this is my Oracle home. We call it as a Oracle home. If I have a software available, if I have Oracle 19c software is with me, then I can install multiple databases. I can install multiple databases from that software. But what will be the version of that database software? It will be 19c only. What will be the version? It will be 19c only. If I want to install, let's say this is my server. On this server, I want to install 19c and I want to install Oracle 12c. So can I use Oracle 19c software to install Oracle 12c database? Do you think that? What I need to do?
No, we can't.
So what I need to do, I need to install two softwares here. One is Oracle 19c software and another software will be data app Oracle product 12c DB home. I need to install 12c software also. But if I want to install one more 19c database, do I need to install one more software?
No.
No, I will use same software. So for this database and this database, the Oracle home will be same only. You got my point? For this database and this database, the Oracle home is same. Why it is same? Because both are using Oracle 19c software. This is Oracle home. But what about the Oracle 12c? The 12c, it will be getting changed. Did you get my point, everyone?
Yeah.
Did you get my point,
Yes, sir.
everyone?
Repeat it,
Yes, sir.
sir.
I'll repeat it one more time.
Yeah.
When I it's a little slow. I think I need to restart my laptop. It's not coming. See, if I want, let's take an example. I have a scenario like this. This is my server. On this server, I want to install one 19C database, another 19C database, another 12C database. Tell me how many oracles home I need to have. How many will be oracle home?
2.
2.
2.
2.
One oracle home will be like data, app, oracle,
19C.
product, let's say 19C and DB
One
home.
more will
By
DB.
using this oracle home, how many database I can create? I can create this first database. I can create this second database, first and second. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
But if I want to install Oracle 12C, I need to have one more directory structure where I'm going to upload my Oracle 12C software, and then I will call run installer from here. So that location will be 12C DB home. So for this 19C and this 19C, the Oracle home will be single one. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
But if I want to install one more 12C, so for this and for this database, the Oracle home will be same only.
Same.
What is called Oracle SID? If you see this batch profile, there are two things I have mentioned. One is Oracle home and another is Oracle SID. Oracle SID will refer to the database name. Where it will be refer? It will refer to the database name. So when I have this 19C and this 19C, for this the Oracle home is same. What about the Oracle SID? Will it be same?
No.
No, sir.
No,
Here
no,
it
no.
will be
It will be
DB1,
different.
here it will be DB2, here it will be DB3, here it will be DB4. Did you get my point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because database name will be different, but we can have same Oracle home because both are sharing the same software. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Now if I am coming here, can you see there are two options are available? Can you please read that and let me know what is this?
Creating compare single instance database. Software.
What does it?
In first option, database is included, and second option, software only.
Only software is downloaded.
Software only, right? Now, so what we understood from here, if I go with the setup a software only, does database will be created?
No, sir.
No.
No, no.
So I'll
Only
go with the
software.
setup a software only for now. Click on next. Do you want to install single instance or Oracle RAC? In this training, we are talking about the Oracle single instance. I'll click on next. Now there are two editions are there. Whenever you are, again, Oracle 19C is not free of cost. You need to take the license. So when you go for a license, there are two licenses are there: Enterprise Edition, Standard Edition. Enterprise Edition license is costly because it is having lot of features are there. Like it is a self-managing database, people are calling it as. It has a features like data guard related features are there. You can fetch AWR report. Just keep it this terminology in your mind. We'll discuss about that in future. Standard edition do not have much features. That is the reason it is a that not costly also. Normally the client will go with the enterprise editions. Okay, so I'm just click here, but it doesn't mean that it is changing your administration part much. Okay, now what I will do, this is a software location which you cannot change because from there only you have called your run installer. Click on next. Whenever you are doing the Oracle database installation, your database specific information, like in this location you have done the installation, that information will be going to your inventory. Where it will be going? It will go to the inventory. This inventory location will be created. You need to do one more thing. Just call the open the duplicate tab. login with root user, and enter your entry into this file, this host file. In this location, one inventory will be created, and that inventory will have information about the location, that in this location, or your Oracle home will be registered saying that in this location this particular database is available. Click on next. These are the groups which will be assigned for the Oracle database administrations. Here you don't need to do anything. Now when you are doing the Oracle server installation or software installation, there are some script like root.sh and ora-inst.sh. These two scripts you need to run. These two scripts you can run it automatically also just by providing the root password, or you can run these two scripts manually also. Both options are there. We are going to run it automatically, so just provide the password of root user. And normally in real-time production environment, this script location you need to provide to the Linux team and they will run it for you. But if you know the root password, you can directly enter your root password and it will be run automatically. Or you can use sudo user also. You need to open this host file and you need to add one entry of your IP address over here. Otherwise you will see one challenge. So you just go here and enter the IP address of your machine, 192.168.56.50. The name of your short name is node1, node1.learnomate.org. Just save this file. If you go here, you need to enter the root password. This will create your ORATF file. Now what is ORATF file? We'll discuss in future classes. If you are not able to understand some of the terminology, you will understand in future lectures, because he is having some of the dependency with next lectures. So just for your understanding or for this recording purpose, I am using that terminology, because when you are going to read the recording again, then you will understand that okay, I have explained this part here and this is how it works. You will have a summary here, and when you are doing the installation, if you want to know in depth what's happening, you can click on the details. And this is very good idea for the troubleshooting purpose also. Like whenever you are doing some installation and if your installation get failed, it's a good to click on the details and check what's happening behind the scene. It will give you more information that why my database is getting installation is getting failed. You can check all these things. So click on close and just monitor this. Software installation will not take much time. It will hardly be 10-20 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay. And database installation will take another 1 hour. So in next lecture, I'll show you how to install a database. Till now, what we have done, let me do the recap. So we have created a server. On this server, we have done the pre-checks like prerequisite we called, which will do your package installation, group creation, user creations, and kernel level settings. Everything will be done. Then we created a bash profile. In the bash profile, we have mentioned what is my Oracle home and Oracle SID we have mentioned. Then we downloaded what we have downloaded. We downloaded Oracle 19c. We downloaded Oracle 19c and we uploaded to Linux. How this can be done by using SFTP, which is with the help of Mobextem, or you can do it with the help of WinSCP also. I have shown you how to download and use WinSCP as well as this SFTP protocol of your Mobextem. Both the things I have shown you. Then once our software is available on server, which is in Oracle home, we started unzipping that, and then we call run installer. In run installer, we had two options were there: set up database installation and only software installation. We started with the software installation, and we can also start with the database installation also. Now here my software installation is in progress and you can see the progress over here. This is what we have discussed today. Till now, whatever we have discussed, are you able to understand, everyone? Can you please use the chat option or
Yes, sir.
Yes, 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 yes. Fine. Okay, nice. So we'll do one thing. Okay. Um, you go through the recordings. Okay. Try it on your own. In the installation only one part is left now. That is your database installation. Once our database installation get completed, see this is asking, do you want to run that automatic script? I'm saying yes, and it will run your that automatic script. And here my software installation is completed. Here my software installation is completed and done. But do I have database now? Can I connect to the database? No,
No.
I don't have database. If I want to install a database, I need to call one more utility, and that utility we called it as a DBCA. You can call this utility from any location because the bash profile is already set. And if you call this DBCA, which is called database configuration assistance, this utility is going to help you for the database installation. Okay, so this part we will take it in the next lecture. So here you can see create a database. When you are calling create a database, then it will ask you what is your database name and all these things it will ask you. Do you want to continue?
Now.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me take a poll.
Yes, sir. Because tomorrow doubt, sir. So please, you can continue no issues.
Let me take a poll.
Sir, we'll call off today, sir.
Let me take a poll. Okay, do you want, okay, give me poll, want to continue? See, because tomorrow I'm not sure whether the class can be conducted, because everyone know, right? So can you please give me a poll? Launch it. Do you want to continue? Yes, no. Even I am also tired, but tomorrow I don't know whether. A lot of people are saying no.
Sir, we have office too. We have work. It's a morning time.
Yeah, US. Okay, so many, it's almost 50-50. I'll share you the result also. So let's cancel that. Okay, let's see what can be done. Okay, okay, then fine. Please go through that and let me know if anything is there. Okay, thank you for listening me. And
Yeah, Uncle Soki, when do you think you're gonna help me out? Because I didn't understand a lot of stuff, because I have this issue with my software, so I really need some help. I talked to the team, but nobody has responded to me.
I'll ask people to respond you, okay? Because it's like the time zone is also one issue. Like now it's 9 p.m. here.
Oh, okay.
Everyone
Okay.
logged out already. So I'll ask them
So
to ping you tomorrow, okay? As soon as they
tomorrow,
log in.
there's no class tomorrow, right?
Hi, sir.
Yes.
Sir, from morning onwards, I'm trying to reach the support team, but no one is responding. I called Dheeraj thrice at times. I kept the message also. I'm facing with the Oracle verification.
What is the issue you are facing? You're saying?
Hello.
What is the issue you are facing?
It is pending from the Oracle side. They need to accept the request from the Oracle team. So I want to download the ISO file.
Okay, you want to download the Oracle software, but you are not able to download that. You are saying. Did you get the email
Yes,
and did you
yes.
verify your email ID?
Yes, I have verified. After verifying that also, I'm not getting. It is asking to wait for 24 hours time.
In sometimes like it will happen. See, let's try to do one thing. Can you use another email ID? Sometime it will be done very quickly. Sometime it will take a time. Try to do it with your other email ID. Try to show some some good records over there. And if it is not happening, let me know over the group. Okay, in next 10-20 minutes. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm not getting it. Last time also same issue is pending from last time when I was installing the 19th also. 3 days I have been called to the Dheeraj. They are not responding.
No, calling
They're
they will
asking to
not
put
do.
in the group message.
Calling they will not
Yes,
do.
they're asking to put in the group. I have kept the message also. I have the screenshots also. I have taken the screenshot also. Same thing is repeating, sir, for me.
Okay, let me check. Okay, you share a message. Hi there. I'll check that. Okay,
Hi,
guys.
sir. I
Yeah.
have one question.
Yes.
Like after completing that training, since how long we have access the like recording and all?
3 months from the start day.
3 months from the end or start?
Start. But we'll try to extend it little. But I don't want to give any commitment. But
Okay,
normally
because what happened is
our
like I'm working professional and since last 15 days even I am not able to
I'll tell you.
practice
I'll tell you.
because
It will be like.
workload.
It will be
Yeah,
like 6 months actually. Okay.
okay.
Officially, we said 3 months from the start day, the day when we create that cloud account and all. But actually, normally, like we give it for 6 months. Okay.
Okay.
So, but don't, officially it's 3 months. Okay. But we keep it for 6 months.
Hello.
Oh, yes.
The video recording will not get permanently.
No, it's not permanent.
Okay.
Okay, all this process oriented question, please check with the Learnomate. Okay, it's not my task.